Excuse me, miss.
Yes, how can I help you?
I've lost my suitcase.
Oh, I see. When did you lose it?
I think I lost it after my flight landed.
Which flight did you arrive on?
I came from London.
All right. Can I have your boarding pass, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check your flight details.
Okay, thank you.
What color is your suitcase?
It's black with a red tag.
Does it have your name on it?
Yes, my name is John Miller.
Did you collect any luggage before?
No, this is my only bag.
I understand. When did you notice it was missing?
Just now at the baggage belt.
Was the belt still moving?
No, it had stopped already.
Did anyone near you take a similar bag?
I'm not sure, I didn't notice.
All right, please stay calm. We'll find it.
Thank you, I'm really worried.
Don't worry, sir. We'll do our best.
What should I do now?
Please fill out this lost baggage form.
Okay, I'll do that.
Can you describe your bag in detail?
It's a medium-sized suitcase with wheels.
Does it have any stickers or marks?
Yes, there's a blue sticker on the side.
That's helpful. What's inside the bag?
Just clothes and some gifts.
Were there any valuable items?
Only my laptop and documents.
All right, we'll note that down.
How long will it take to find my bag?
Usually it takes 1 or 2 days.
Will you call me when you find it?
Yes, we'll contact you immediately.
Should I leave my phone number here?
Yes, please write it on the form.
Done. Here you go.
Thank you. We'll register your complaint now.
Is there any tracking number for my case?
Yes, you'll get a reference number soon.
Great. Can I check the status online?
Yes, you can track it on our website.
That's good to know.
Do you remember where you last saw the bag?
I last saw it before boarding the plane.
Was it checked in at the counter?
Yes, I checked it in before the flight.
Do you have the baggage receipt?
Oh yes, it's here.
Perfect, that helps a lot.
Will the bag be delivered to me?
Yes, once found, we'll send it to your address.
That's a relief. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. Please don't worry.
Can you tell me where lost luggage is kept?
It's stored in our baggage claim office.
Is that office nearby?
Yes, just next to this counter.
Should I visit there now?
Not yet. We'll first register your case.
How will you search for it?
We'll check all unclaimed bags and flight records.
Can it be in another city?
Sometimes bags go to connecting airports.
Oh no, that's stressful.
It happens, but we always recover them.
Has this happened to other passengers too?
Yes, quite often. Bags are usually found.
That's good to hear.
Yes, please don't panic.
I just need my laptop soon.
I understand. We'll mark it urgent.
Do I need to pay any fee?
No, it's completely free.
That's nice, thank you.
You're welcome. We care for our passengers.
Can I leave now?
Yes, but please keep your phone on.
Will you send me an email update?
Yes, you'll receive regular updates.
What if I don't get any call?
Then you can contact our help desk.
Where is the help desk?
It's near the arrival gate.
I'll check it later.
Good idea. They can assist you further.
How long have you worked here?
I've worked here for 5 years.
You must handle this a lot.
Yes, we deal with lost luggage daily.
That sounds busy.
It is, but we help everyone.
Do people usually find their bags?
Yes, almost all do.
That's reassuring.
I'm glad you think so.
Will my suitcase be safe?
Yes, it will stay in secure storage.
Can someone else collect it?
Only with your permission and ID.
All right, that's clear.
Good. We want to keep your bag safe.
Do I need to sign anything?
Yes, please sign this form here.
Okay, I've signed it.
Thank you. That completes your report.
When should I expect a message?
Within 24 hours, usually.
I hope it's found soon.
We'll try our best, sir.
Can I take a photo of this receipt?
Yes, that's a good idea.
Done. I've saved it.
Perfect. Keep it safe.
What's your name, please?
My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
You're very kind and helpful.
Thank you for saying that.
Do you work morning shifts only?
Mostly, yes, I do.
You must meet many travelers.
Yes, from all around the world.
That sounds interesting.
It really is.
I travel often, so I'll remember your service.
That's very kind of you.
Do you like helping passengers?
Yes, I enjoy solving their problems.
That's a nice attitude.
Thank you again, sir.
Will my suitcase be sent home or to the hotel?
Where would you prefer it delivered?
Please send it to my hotel.
Sure, write your hotel address here.
I've written it down.
Thank you, that's perfect.
How long will delivery take?
Within a few hours after it's found.
That's quick service.
We try to be fast and efficient.
I really appreciate your help.
It's my pleasure, sir.
You've been so patient with me.
I understand your situation.
I'll check my email for updates.
Yes, please do that.
Is there a helpline number too?
Yes, it's printed on your receipt.
I see it now, thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I take a picture with you?
I'm sorry, but that's not allowed here.
Oh, that's fine.
Thank you for understanding.
I'll go and wait at the hotel now.
That's a good idea.
Please let me know once it's found.
Of course, we'll contact you.
I'll keep my phone nearby.
That's perfect.
Thank you again, Anna.
You're most welcome.
Have a good day.
You too, sir.